Hi, I'm Jeff Palomo with Palomo and Associates. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are thinking about watching one of our workshops. So at Palomo and Associates, we absolutely pride ourselves on education first and foremost. It started back with my mom, and we couldn't figure out the answers to the questions, and we wanted to be able to learn what we could, and we just weren't able to. So now we make sure that we educate first and foremost. The Nuts and Bolts of Medicaid is our workshop that we have created for individuals who are heading into potentially the Medicaid process. So that means that you or a loved one is probably heading towards the situation where they're going to need skilled level care. And that's either skilled level care in the nursing home or in their home. And the process of going through Medicaid, doing the application, protecting assets, becomes extremely daunting. This is the workshop for you. We are going to break it down for you. We're going to tell you exactly what the process looks like. We're going to tell you what you're going to need in the 5-year look back period and what statements you're going to need and how to get them more easily than not. So if you have someone who may need long-term care in the future, this is the workshop for you. It's the nuts and bolts of Medicaid. I will do another video on the other workshops that we have, but I wanted to talk a little bit about specifically the nuts and bolts of Medicaid. We hope you enjoy it. We hope that it answers the questions that you have. And if not, you're gonna get a free consultation once you watch the video or come to the workshop live in person or on the virtual link that we have. We will still give you a free consult with one of our team members, and we'll be able to answer any further questions that you have. We look forward to helping you. We look forward to helping you through this process.